My name is Brad. I'm with FIXITUP. I'm going to show you how to post a project today. So once you're signed in on FIXITUP, you're going to hit the post a project. And today we're going to do a fencing project. I'm going to put in a new PVC fence. So I'm going to title the project name New PVC Fence. And I'm going to pick from the categories and fencing, sales, install, and repair. Now it's very important to put detailed information on when you're posting your project. The more pictures you add, the more dimensions you put in, it's going to make for more accurate quotes from the local companies. So this is kind of the intro that you can read over to see how you're going to post your project. Now from here, it's very simple. Where is the service required? It's at my house. I don't need any repairs. I'm going to replace the fence. So what type of service do you require? I'm going to remove existing with supply and install. What type of fencing material? Let's go with a white PVC fence. How many linear feet of fencing? 96 feet, and I'm going to want a 6-foot height per fence. For color, let's put in white or beige. Do you require a gate? Yes, I'm going to require a gate. Now, if yes, what gate width do you require? 48 to 60 inches. And I'm going to take 2 gates. Are you attaching to an existing fence or neighboring fence? No, for this project. And I am the owner to make authorized changes. For details, if you have any extra details to help, for quoting, let's say I require cement posts for my fence. Being in Saskatchewan, it's windy here. So when would you preferably like your fencing service to take place? This, be a little more realistic. Obviously, ideally I'd want it tomorrow, but I'm just going to put a 2-week timeline to give, fencing companies the appropriate time to quote and get back to you. And then for uploading photos, this is very important. It's always good to put in photos. It helps with, to give a visual for companies, also to give, a little bit of an understanding of what they're working with. So this is what I'm looking for. So you can find photos on the internet, or you can, if you have photos of a neighbor one that you like, you can always grab that. So I grabbed one off the internet here. It's always good to put location photos as well. And then what you have existing. So let's put in an existing one. So right here, I got a old wooden fence on the backyard for this. And then lastly, a lot of people are actually using the YouTube video links. You can take a video, 2 to 3 minute video, put it on YouTube, and then add the link in here. And this is really helping companies, quote accurately when you're walking through, talking to them about what you want and so forth. So I think that was about a minute or two to put the information in. I'm going to hit post here. And it says, thanks for posting on FIXITUP. By clicking accept, you'll be sending your project to local businesses to quote on. Businesses have up to 72 hours to quote your project, and you'll be notified when each new bid is sent through your email. So if I hit the accept button here, it's going to post and send it out to local companies, and they'll start bidding.